Today we're going to learn how to use your makeup tokens for makeup classes at Rolly Pollies. First, head to our online registration system and log into your account. Once you're in, you're going to see the Makeups tab on the left-hand side. Select that. Your child's name is next. Choose them to see how many tokens you have available. Select Use Token, and then we're going to pick our makeup date. If a class is available, it will appear below. Select that class, and then simply confirm. You are all set. Your token has been applied. If you have multiple tokens, continue the process until you use as many as you'd like. Continue selecting the different dates to see if there's a class available for your age and use the token. It's just that simple. Remember to select different dates when picking your classes, as you will not be able to use a token in a class that your child is already enrolled in. Once you're done using all your tokens, simply log out, and we'll see you at class.